Coming to you from the Carol Blanton Ferris Law Firm Studios, it's the A1 Minute, brought to you by Smith Strong PLC.
Hey, it's Kelly back with another A1 Minute. Let's get into it. Browns Island is officially closed, so work can begin on an 11th month renovation project. Construction crews will install bathrooms, plant trees, and build a performing arts stage on the man-made island at a cost of $30 million. The city will cover half of the price, and nonprofit Venture Richmond will raise the other half. Browns Island will reopen in October 2026 in time for the annual Folk Festival. And the Richmond School Board, in an unexpected move, voted to rename Armstrong High School, restoring President John F. Kennedy's name, although administrative officials had not recommended the change. Effective July 2027, the school will once again be called Armstrong Kennedy High School. The decision follows years of advocacy by a group of the school's alumni. RPS Superintendent Jason Cameras argued that the spirit of this policy has been followed, though he acknowledged that the process did not exactly follow the typical procedure. And lastly, congratulations to Verdalina, an upscale women's boutique in the Arts District, on making the New York Times list of the 50 best clothing stores in America. Deborah Boschin, a fixture in Richmond fashion, opened Verdalina on West Broad Street in 2013. When Boschin opened the store, she described it as a slow fashion business, sustainable and artisanal. That vision, which prioritizes well-edited style with sustainability in mind, captured the attention of the New York Times style desk. All right, that's it. Make sure you're keeping up with us over on Instagram at Virginia Video Network and over at RTD News. This episode was brought to you by Smith Strong PLC. We'll be back soon with another A1 Minute.